sugar, sugar, and everything. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect game. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra sugar to the concoction. Chemical X.
Bean!
Buttercup, Bubbles, and Bubblecup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of
the Amazon gift card.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
That wasn't supposed to happen.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的设置，主演。
The city of Townsville, and it's raining.
Swimming in the rain is 100 times more fun than swimming on a sunny day.
Run and hide because it's raining.
Oh, God.
This stinks. I hate
heavy
rain. There's nothing to do. There's nowhere to go. I need action. I need adventure. I need to punch.
Let's rock. Divine fury. Punch. Slap. The entire team is babies.
I have an idea.
Nobody cares.
Wait, what?
Nobody cares.
That's a great.
My great-great-grandfather had a grate that was greater than.
Look at all the happy little people.
I'll have 6-9 with extra chip.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm eating Joe. My.
Betrayal. No! Fucking no! And furthermore, why?
Joe still has to go to the market and pick up milk for his children.
Hey, Mom, I'm on my way. By the way, do you mind if I sat on the cake? I can't see it. I have several questions.
You suck! Shut up!
Okay, now.
420 represents weed. 420 times 2 is 840. 840 divided by 280 is 3. 3 sides to a triangle. Weed is Illuminati!
If you look out your window, sir, you'll see a giant destroying Townsville.
Roll up, come and get your pooey ticket for pooey cricket.
Powerpuff Girls, please pick up!
No! This is Patrick!
Well, then who am I supposed to be?
You're a bitch!
Hanamura residence.
Dad, where do we keep the swords?
Whole closet!
Okay, cool.
Sorry, Link. I can't give credit.
Let's go!
Caputus crepitus! Bombs? Ah! What the bloody hell just happened?
Only the greatest scientific mind this side of the galaxy could create such a beast. That's so true!
This is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
Dummy!
3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God!
I like it, cut G.
I won! Behold!
No!
Oh, sorry.
Okay. I think we're in the clear.
I've come to make an announcement.
Surprise, motherfucker.
the city of Townsville, and it's
A sunny day.
oh, I wanted to be
Bombs?